always wanted to have a neighbor just like you. I've always wanted to live in a neighborhood with you, so let's make...
We already at her line.
He's drunk, and
I see he's drunk, but I don't know what he's talking about either.
that's why he wanted that pig and gave it to him so he could buy it. That's shame, man.
What? Don't come in here talking disrespectful and get your ass beat down. Just let you know. So you might be drunk, but you'll get your ass beat tonight. I'm gonna let you know. I'm just gonna let you know. Don't come in here starting no shit, alright? It's been 1 month since I got these. See, the new growth is real. I did very good with this set. I only broke 1 nail, and it wasn't my fault. Few moments later.
Yay! Thank you so much, official. I appreciate you. It's so nice. Y'all so nice.
Like for real, not even being funny. This chicken, this is the equivalent of gas station chicken. Like I've had better chicken at Crispy's. I'll give him some Red X dances for official D Spot because he saved the day. And I'm pretty sure official D Spot will be getting more into the sector, so please check out his channel. He is a good little roaster, but he also does mukbangs and stuff like that, so it'll bring some diversity to the sector as well. So save Rico. Oh, he was stranded out wherever he was. He was stranded. We can give it a few more minutes. Let's give it a few more minutes. Running through the streets, running through the streets. I've been running through this YouTube. Did the boy just lose his super chat budget? I ain't even gonna put it out there like that. Shouts out to my boy Triple Red X. Am I your first? Yes, baby boy. You most definitely are the first to come through, and I definitely appreciate you for that super chat. If you can hear me and if you can see me, drop an emoji in the comments. Just one, please. 1 or 2. If you can see me, if you can hear me, drop an emoji in the comments. Celebrity news. First thing that caught my eyes was this story that I got pulled up right now. If you can see it, press 1.
How many jobs you got?
One?
One job! One job and you go to labor?
Girl, today I gave birth to your lazy husband, Byron. My son, I was working 6 jobs, no man. I was a wedding photographer, meet and meet, shoe salesman, swimming instructor, sushi shop, and taking a bar exam, all while delivering his leave.
It was hair and cook. So I've done hair. I'm over that. Now I want to get into the cooking thing, so I do a lot of cooking. So let's put some peppers up on the plate so everybody can see that. You know what I'm saying? Your boy ain't just a fat ass.
Triple Red X was the first one to drop a 20 on me. Like, I appreciate all.
You can call me Queen Bee, and baby, let me live that fantasy.
What's up?
I'm proud of you. Like I said, I'm new to your channel and stuff like that because I didn't know that you was a YouTube content creator. And welcome to the sector. Now, just to let you know, like in this sector, it do get raw, it do get dirty, and sometimes like you do gotta get in the dirt and play with these people out here. So I hope that you're ready for that. You know what I'm saying? Because some of these people don't play fair. So I just hope that you ready for that.
It's all fair game. I'm ready. I'm built for it. I'm built for it tough like that.
All right now, all right. So we got a newcomer up in this sector, another male.
Hell no, to the no, no, no. Yeah, to the no, hell to the no, to the no, no, no. Listen.
I appreciate all. Hey y'all, make it rain, y'all. He got a birthday bash coming up, y'all. So say that.
Know how to deal. License and registration, please. What seems to be the officer problem? Here, hold this.
Oh, it's all warm.
Everybody stay calm. I can handle this, no problem. I know how to deal. License and registration, please. What seems to be the officer problem?
Oh, I got you, baby. I got you.
Go! Go!